So there's a little side piece that you gotta pull off, unclip. See the little 1, 2, 3 clips, pull it out, but make sure you also take this trim out. And then you'll notice there is one little screw right here. If you open this, there is 1, 2, 3 that you gotta take out. And then if you go under, hold on a second. If you go under here, there is, hold on 1 second. I'm trying to focus. 1, 2, 3, and then you'll notice this hole. If you grab an extension, there is one more screw back there that is hidden and won't let you take it out. I won't let you take the glove box out unless you take the little screw out. And then once you get all those screws out, you should be able to pull it off. Take this little connector off, just push it back that way.